wait, I want to talk to you guys before I go and trade and we jump into the trade recap, because I know today is a really busy day for me and I got to get a lot of shit done and I need to be like traveling all over the place. So I want to talk to you guys for a little bit. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying these little daily recap plus daily vlog type videos. I think we're going to stick to this for a little bit. And also, my plan is to create a second YouTube channel that kind of is just for raw, unfiltered, unedited trading content, where I can literally just post without thinking of a title, without thinking of a thumbnail, and I can just give you guys raw trading content straight from the dome. Because obviously it's like, I want to grow this YouTube, but optimally. And sometimes there's concepts where it's like, damn, this is probably like a 6-minute video, and a 6-minute video isn't necessarily optimal. And then I have to go through like finding a really good thumbnail, finding a really good title. And then it's like, damn, do I even really want to make that video? Well, yes, I want to make the video because I want to teach you guys the concepts that are being taught. But no, I don't want to make the video because I don't want to go through thinking of a good title, creating a good thumbnail, and then like editing it and like going through all the production and all of that. So in turn, my solution to that is, because I care about you guys and actually want you guys to be good traders, is I'm making, or planning on making, a second YouTube channel. When that gets done, that's on my list to do today. So when that gets done, I'll let you guys know where to go like and subscribe at, so we can keep teaching you guys how to actually trade and like keep incorporating little bits and pieces, just like so I can brain dump on there and just be super raw and unfiltered. But anyways, that's the update. Let's start trading.
All right, y'all. Trade recap. Trade recap. Tension. Trade recap. Trade recap. So today we literally got our butthole ripped. I took 2 losses in 1 break-even trade. Not the best trading day for me, but at least I limited the losses heavily. So, geez, where do we even start with this? What a crazy chop session of a day. I mean, look at this. Like, boom, boom, liquidity, back down liquidity, boom, liquidity. Now we're going back down. But again, that's no excuse. We got played. So, coming into today, we had, in my eyes, a really obvious draw on liquidity of these equal highs, and also these 4-hour highs up here. On top of that, coming into the day, we had, or coming into market open, we had really obvious, this was like my biggest bias for the day, was really obvious low resistance sell side liquidity. So we had boom, these 15-minute lows, boom, these 15-minute lows, boom, these 15-minute lows, and then boom, these 15-minute lows as well, okay? And I pretty much told the kick chat, I said, look, I am going to be looking to see these 15-minute lows get swept out, and then I'm going to be looking for rallies to the upside, or if we get a push to the upside, I'm going to be looking for shorts down to end up taking out these lows. And unfortunately, we got completely chopped up in this crazy looking price action. But hey man, that is part of the game. So with that being said, let's get into the very first trade. So right when market opened, we had an immediate sell-off. We took out these 15-minute lows, these 15-minute lows, and these 15-minute lows. So I was like, boom, I'm ready for longs. Let's get into it. Let's look to take out these highs, and then let's look to take out these high time frame highs. So we see, boom, this is the liquidity sweep. We see a bearish imbalance get invalidated off this candle. I wanted to wait for more confluences. So from there, we see a break of structure off this candle, and then we see price come into this order block as well as this breaker block right here. Okay. And for me, that was like, boom, we're ready to go. And on top of that, we had this small little fair value gap within here that got respected. So boom, I entered off that. I did want to stay mindful of this little BPR that we had right within here that actually was
was formed on the liquidity sweep down off those 15-minute lows. So I had my stop loss underneath that area just to keep it covered. So entered right here, we're in some drawdown, and then we push up and end up filling in this 5-minute fair value gap, and then boom, right after that, legs down. However, once we pushed up here and I saw us filling this 5-minute fair value gap, I moved my stop loss to break even because I was pretty much thinking, look, either we're just going to fully push straight through that 5-minute fair value gap, or we're going to get it disrespected to the downside, because on ES, we were forming pretty much like a 5-minute SMT right here, while NASDAQ was forming, potentially going to form these highs. So in turn, that caused me to move my stop loss to break even, and thank goodness I did, because boom, I would have been stopped out. So that could have been 3 losses instead. It was just a break even, okay? So that was the first trade. Now, the second trade was on ES here to the downside. So again, similar situation here. On ES, we had our obvious draws on liquidity to the upside on the high time frame. And then from there, we had these obvious sell side liquidity draws. We had this 15-minute low, this 15-minute low, this 15-minute low, this 15-minute low, and this 15-minute low in order for us to move higher. And as we can see, we ended up taking advantage of those 15-minute lows with this massive candle down at 10:15. And unfortunately, it just was not the right time for me to take a short, because as we can see right here, just a little bit too late on them. So what were my confluences on this? Okay, I got stopped out of that NASDAQ trade. I saw ES come down. We took out these 15-minute lows, and then we get legs up. But then we started forming that 5-minute SMT that I was telling you guys about. And I was like, okay, NASDAQ came down and took out all of these lows. So I'm going to assume that ES is going to want to take out all of these lows too. And it did want to take out all of these lows, however, just not in the right time. On top of that, I'm going to remove this here. We had a very, very strong BPR, and this was just tried and showed over and over and over again. So right here, swift move up through this price range. And then boom, right here, swift move down through this price range. Then again, we see price swift move up, and then boom, swift move down. And after that, I'm thinking, okay, we've went up, we went down, we tested it a couple times, then we go down. This has to be the time that we're going to actually come down and start taking out these low resistance draws on liquidity. So once I saw us break back underneath that, we had a couple confluences. We had the 5-minute SMT. We had a 1-minute break of structure. I was ready to go. I entered off that. My stops were above these 1-minute highs. Again, I get chopped up, and then boom, stopped out. Price ends up making equal highs with these hourly highs, and then ends up flooding down. Sorry for the fucking gardeners. But anyways, price ends up flooding down and taking out the low resistance draws on liquidity that I wanted to get taken out. So again, difficult and tough situation here. Again, like, I just went long and went short at the wrong times. I had the right overall mindset of where I wanted price to go. So again, got stopped out off this. Now for my second loss was after I got stopped out of ES, which was this leg down right here. We see NASDAQ, and again, this was probably the worst trade that I could have taken today. I think that this trade was pretty valid. I think the ES trade was pretty valid. It was just right idea, wrong timing. But this one was definitely more so of an emotional, bad trading day. Bad trade to take. I should have waited for way more confluence, but again, it is what it is. The trade was taken. So the idea behind this was the fact that we came up and we tested that 5-minute fair value gap, right? And then we get legs down. And again, if you guys remember, I've done this twice now where I've referenced this kind of formation, where if we want to see a high time frame reversal, we're going to need to see like 5-minute or 15-minute confirmation that we are getting that reversal, more often than not, we're going to need a retrace. So with that in mind, I was like, okay, cool. NASDAQ had came down. We swept out these low resistance draws on liquidity down here. Okay. And now we made the first leg up, filled in this fair value gap, and then we get a leg down, and then we start chopping up. We don't get anywhere near these lows. And then we start forming bullish confirmation out of this imbalance right here. We're still playing within this big order block that we have right here. We get a break of structure to the upside, you know, and we invalidate this 1 minute imbalance. I'm thinking we're ready to go. Again, this was definitely not the trade to take, especially after having one break-even trade and one loss. I very well should have just left the day with just minus 2.5K on the day. Instead, I ended up with more than a $5,000 loss because I ended up taking this third trade. And again, that's all in hindsight, but that is definitely the biggest mistake that I made today, was thinking that I flipped bias. Like my first overall bias was bullish, and then on ES I was like, okay, we haven't taken out these low time frame lows that we need in order to push up to these hourly draws on liquidity. And that idea was correct. It was just the wrong timing in terms of that trade. But going immediately turning back around and then trying to find longs was definitely not the right move here. And that's exactly what I did. Really not many confluences on this besides this order block, me thinking that, hey, we're having a lower time frame retracement and we're finally getting confirmations up for us to take out these hourly highs that are our main targets. And I guarantee you we end up hitting those on NASDAQ, because that's the overall bias. Again, my overall bias was going to be these hourly highs, these 4-hour highs. Same thing on ES. We're already coming through and we're taking out these 4-hour highs. So the overall bias was correct on the day. Just the execution was pretty poor on my end. And again, I'm coming off of a undefeated trading week, so this was much needed. When you start feeling like hot shit and you start feeling like you can just conquer the fucking world with your trades, that's when the market will humble you. And I definitely got humbled today on this. Got stopped out. Price wanted to take out one more set or one more draw on liquidity before heading up higher towards these hourly highs. So that pretty much covers the trade recap for today. Yeah, let's get into what I'm about to do for the rest of the day. All right, we got a busy one today, okay? I got a lot of phone calls to make. We got lots of business tings to do, okay? So I'll see you guys on the other side. How my day's been going, bro. Look at those eye bags. See, I thought I was catching up on sleep. Not a fucking shot. Look at those bags, bro. That's really bad. I need to start icing my face in the morning, bro. But anyways, my day has been a mess. I fucked up trading today, and right after trading, I was supposed to get a phone call from Chase, but obviously, because it's a large company, they just plain and simple do not give a fuck about any of their customers. So I was waiting for their phone call for about 30 minutes. They never called me, even though I scheduled a phone call, like fully went in and put it into their Calendly link. And then I had to go through the full customer like call system thing. Waited on the phone for about an hour on hold. Finally got a hold of them just so that I could, so the backstory on this, I applied for a business credit card because I'm starting a new business, or already started a new business that hopefully you guys will get to see, I want to say in like 2, 3, 4 weeks-ish. I don't really know, but hopefully you guys like it. But anyways, I need a business credit card for it. And unfortunately, in Puerto Rico, there's only some I guess like credit cards that you can get because the LLC is based out here in Puerto Rico. Amex is one of them. However, I have a shit ton of Amex cards, and I have I don't even know how much money I have in terms of points with Amex. I think I have like $50,000 worth of points. it might be a little bit more. Like, and I'm talking about, like, I can go on Amazon right now and I can buy $50,000 worth of stuff. Not like I've spent only $50,000. I'm saying, like, I've spent I've spent so much money with Amex. But anyways, I don't want any more Amex cards because I have so many, and I want to get on the Chase ecosystem, Chase trifecta motion. So I've applied for a Chase card like 3 times on 3 of my different businesses, and then this was like one where I was like, bro, the first 2 I was like, fuck it, whatever, I already have the Amex. But this one I was like, dude, I really want the Chase shit, so I'm going to go through them. Anyways, I never get an email. I submit the application. I don't get an email whether the application is denied, which is like, you know, pretty rare for a business credit card to get denied for the application. And then I don't get an email that it was approved. And it's been like 2 weeks. So I'm like, fuck it. I'm just going to call these people because this has happened 2 times before now where I don't get an approval and I don't get a denial, even though I submitted everything. So let's figure out what it is. They literally had to ask me like a bunch of security questions over the phone. And it was, anyways, it was just a headbanger. And then now, what am I doing right now? I'm on the way to go get my car like re-registered, I guess. In Puerto Rico, it's weird. You need to like re-register your car every 2 years, which is just fucking ridiculous if you ask a guy like me. And that's where I'm going right now. It needs to get like an emissions test because I guess in Puerto Rico, like they're super anti-gas powered cars. That's kind of why I want to get a Spectre out here because of the excise tax, whatever. But yeah, I got to get this fucking hunk of junk tested. And then after that, they give me like my new registration that I can put on my windshield because I got a ticket a couple days ago, and it was for like illegally parking, and I was like, whatever, I'll eat the $100 for the illegal parking. But thank goodness I like went out there when they were giving me the ticket because they were like, yeah, we were about to take your car because the registration is literally 4 months expired. I've been cruising in this bitch with 4 months expired registration. Definitely not a good look. I thought I was chilling, just rolling through gated neighborhoods, but when I go outside the gates, sometimes bad things can happen. So we're going to get the car registered. Today's been a bit of a blender right now, but it is what it is, man. We're gonna try and turn this day around. We're gonna get this car registered. I've been meaning to do that for a while, and then yeah, we'll see what the day brings upon us next. All right, we made it. Centro Oficial de Inspection. All right, let's get our shit inspectionated. They clipped us, boys. This inspection spot is no longer even available. So we're going even further. The bad day continues, boys. When will it get better? We do not know. Rev up them fryers. That's right, boys. You see that? Inspection. Fila de inspección. It means line them up, boys. Line. Okay. Well, where do I go? All right, boys. It actually looks like we showed up at like the worst possible time because somebody's getting their car inspected right now. So look, Euro detailing for Mercedes, Ferrari, Maserati, Lambo, and Porsche. Good thing I've only seen like 3 of those cars ever out here. I'm just kidding. There's actually a decent amount of Mercedes. I saw an SF90 yesterday out at dinner. That was pretty cool. The only Lambos that are out here are like Lamb trucks. Not many Porsches besides just the EV ones. Maseratis, pretty rare. Never seen those guys out here, actually. So, Euro detailing is definitely losing some sales on the Mazzy side of things. But anyways, I'm going to go in there and try and Spanglish my way into getting this bitch inspectionated.
And then I'll let you guys know if my car is just going to be taken away from me or if we can actually like legally drive this thing. Cause I have been illegally driving the Tonka truck for like 4 months, bro. All right, guys, we finished up the car inspection and bro just came over, wanted to say what's up. You want to give some words of inspo to the people?
Yeah, bro, just follow your dreams, bro. Like,
yeah.
I see his videos every day. My bad that my English is not that good, bro. But follow your dreams every day. I am doing trading like 1 year ago, and it's hard, bro. Like, right now I'm doing a funded account right now, and it's hard, but the thing is that you need to focus on your dream, bro, and discipline is the best thing that you need to do on your life, bro. And hear all the shit that he talk, bro. He's talking the truth, bro. I'm doing the transformation, I'm doing everything, bro, and it's really, really good, bro. I know that one day, bro, I'm gonna be with him, bro.
Hell yeah, you're with me right now, man. Yeah. There we go. Damn, bro, what are the odds? Man, dude, that shit gets me emotional. Being able to like, dude, like I was having a really shitty day and honestly I was like kind of getting on myself because, you know, I lose a trade and everybody gets fucking like, oh, TJR sucks at trading. And whatever, like all the fucking, I always get fucking hate comments all the time. And then this dude comes up to me, tells me his life story and like, bro, he came here, he saw my car, pulled his car up, parked here just so he could say what's up to me. And man, bro, that means a lot. Really changed like the whole mood of the day for real. He said that he was like, had been manifesting meeting me, which is like, I know that shit sounds crazy and I know that shit sounds like some meat writer shit. It's definitely not. Cause I know I was doing the same type of stuff as he was with my mentors. And now I'm friends with my mentors from years ago. And he was telling me like, yo, I know that in a couple years I'll be able to be in your position and I'll be friends with you. And bro, like people that say that, they have that hunger and they have that mentality, they're going to get it. But wow, man, I really appreciate that dude coming up to me and saying what's good. Definitely changed my mood for the day. Really appreciative of that guy. But anyways, inspection is like halfway done, or like I got my car inspected, we're verified now, but I still need to figure out how I can now like get my car like registered because of this. All right, boys, we're back on the hunt. Now we got the vehicle inspected, so that's done, but now we need an Autospresso sticker. So that's pretty much like, you guys know Fast Track in the States? It's like that. And you know how in the States on the license plate, they have that little sticker and you like use a knife and kind of scratch it so no hoodlums like take your registration and put it on their vehicle? Yeah. So it's like the same thing, but instead in Puerto Rico, everybody buys like a Fast Track for their car, and the Fast Track is not only like how you pay tolls, but also how you show your vehicle's registration. And I don't know why, or sorry, they like just switched the system here, but apparently like there used to be an old registration sticker, now they're not using those stickers anymore, and now they're just using the Fast Track and the Fast Track services both. So my car is older and it just had the registration sticker. It didn't have the Fast Track thing. So now I have to go buy a Fast Track sticker and register it into the app. We're going all over the place. We're going on tour, boys. So let's go. We got like 5 minutes. Hopefully we can wrap this up because I'm fucking starving and I'm not angry anymore, but I'm hangry. I'm hungry. And I'm angry because I'm hungry. You know what I'm saying? Boys, so I pull up to a spot where it says you can buy it. Apparently you can't buy it here, and you have to go on the highway, and you have to go to the fucking toll booth. You have to drive onto the highway, and then you have to drive like through into the toll booth, and then you buy it there. Like, bro. We're going on a mission. We're going on a mission. I'm getting this damn thing and I'm getting my car registered. We're making it happen, all right? I'll keep you guys updated. Nah, bro, because this is crazy. Look, see that? Oh, shit. See that little thing right there with all the signs peeking over? Right there. That's where I need to go. That's where I need to go. That's where... Oh, in the line! Oh, my God. Okay. An 11-minute drive to flip this bitch around, boys. We are going to make it happen. We are making it happen. We're not taking no for an answer. No never means no. Remember that. We made it! I hope they speak English, bruh. Literally praying that they speak English, bro. I don't even know what this fucking means right now. Venta y recarga sale. Oh, sale and recharge. Jeez, okay. Wow, I'm not gonna lie. I read this as sale, and wow. Wow. Well, I need a sale, and I need a recharge! Welcome to a realistic day in the life of a day trader, where he road rages! That dude that came up to me today is gonna be like, damn, bro, like, this dude's kind of a tweak. It's my problem. A lot of you guys are like, damn, TJR seems mad cool, bro. Really wish we could link. Really wish we could be bros. And then they'll see like an actual video. And it's like, no, you don't wish we could be bros. Because if you were in the passenger seat, first of all, you'd be giving me head. Second of all, like, you wouldn't even be allowed to come on this drive because of how annoying this has been. I literally didn't even let my best friend and my fucking roommate slide with me. Jeez, bro, I'm literally reading the shit that they don't accept. They don't accept anything. Bro, if this shit costs more than $20, I'm screwed. Because I only got cash for $20. There's no way a little fucking sticker costs more than $20, right? There's no way. Sale and recharge. I just need a sale, and I really need them to speak English. Damn, my eyes look glassy. I just saw the comments on the most recent video too. Everyone was saying that, oh, TJR's eyes, looks like you're back on the gas. No, I haven't smoked gas it's been like 8.5 months. Okay, I would love to Chief a J right now, but I'm not going to. I'm kidding. That was horrible advice. I'm never chiefing gas ever again. Anyways, let's lock in. I'm about to pull up on these O block, and I'm about to pull up on O block and shoot up that spot. Aquí. Gracias. Let's go, baby! Go! Man, we are locked and loaded, baby! Let's go! Now, all we have to do is make it home. Damn, there's a Hellcat. Look at that. Wait, hold on. Pull up on my block. Pull up on my block. Try and test me! Try and test me! We're dragging! Okay, jeez, whoa. All right. Lock in, lock in, lock in. Nah, he's actually trying to drag. Some beat-ass Dodge. Not even an SRT. You're not even Duke Dennis. Okay, but anyways, we're locked in, boys. This dude literally thinks he's Duke Dennis. Nice try, bro. Dusty-ass Dodge. But we made it! We got our... Wait, I don't want to leak any info, so I'm not even going to show you. Mink! We got our gas pack. Now we got to strap this bitch up to the windshield, and then it's game over, bro. Look how I spent my day. Literally driving. Bro, I drove to 4 different places to get the inspection done and to get this shit.
Like, what? Anyways, it's literally like 4 p.m. now. I haven't hit the gym yet. I didn't do my run today because I have been kind of disobeying the running rules. Not that I've skipped any runs, but I used to run on Monday and then take a rest day and then do my 2 runs the next days. But it says that I should do Monday as a rest day and then run like 3 days in a row, and I haven't been doing that. But as the days go on, I think that training plan is like smarter than me. So I'm going to start following their rest day plans, and I'm about to crash. But anyways, there we go. Mission accomplished. Let's go home. I need to poop my pants, and then I need to make some food. Let's go say hi to Boogie. Oh, man. We made it. It's been a long one today, boys. It's been a long one. I haven't ran today. I haven't lifted, and I'm just feeling drained, man. Oh, I don't know what it is. Just body's feeling drained. So I'm cracking this Coke Zero right now, seeing if the little bits of caffeine in here can revitalize me to end up wanting to go to the gym. I'll probably end up going to the gym. Oh. Damn, yeah, but you guys ever have those days? Like, obviously I'm a disciplined and I'm a motivated person. I got literally every single thing that I needed to get done today done, but man, sometimes, man, you just run into a wall, and I definitely hit a wall right as I got home from getting all that shit done. Slowly waking up actually from this Coke Zero, so I think I'm going to incentivize myself, use this money motivation, and head over to the gym. I also think, I mean, how long have I spent on here? I feel like I've done a lot of vlogging today. My day's pretty much over. It's already like 5, so I'm going to hit the gym, come back home, make some dinner, then go to bed. All right, hopefully tomorrow I can have a better trading day than today. I love and appreciate you boys. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.